Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to split up a multi-page PDF file into separate files. For this demonstration, I'll be using an online tool that is completely free and you won't have to download any software to your computer. So I have this one PDF file here that has 3 pages. As you can see here, and I'm going to go to this website called pdftools.org. And once we get to the home page, we're going to click on Split PDF Files. We can drag and drop our PDF file here, then click on Split PDFs. And this is going to split up the PDF files so that each page is a separate file, and it will download them onto your computer into a folder. And here we have our 3 separate PDF files. And I'll just show you all 3 so you can see that they've been split up into separate files. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.